Are you living in a hostel and tired of eating the same boring food every day? Don't worry, in this video, I will show you how to prepare tasty hostel recipes using simple ingredients. You don't need a full kitchen and uh, fancy tools, just a few basic things and a little creativity. Let's make your hostel life more delicious, easy, and fun. Living in a hostel means learning how to cook with the limited time, space, and budget. But that doesn't mean you have to eat dull food every day. You can easily prepare healthy and tasty meals using simple ingredients found anywhere. Let's explore some smart ideas, quick recipes, and useful tips to make your hostel life easier and more enjoyable. Before starting, make sure you have a few basic items: an electric kettle or rice cooker, small frying pan, a spoon, knife, and bowl, a few storage containers. These simple tools can help you cook almost anything. Many students use electric kettles to boil eggs, noodles, or even make rice. A small pan is perfect for frying or making quick snacks. You don't need a long list of ingredients, just keep a few essentials on hand: rice or noodles, eggs, vegetables like onions, tomatoes, and potatoes, salt, pepper, and chili flakes, cooking oil or butter, bread, or buns. These items are cheap and available in every local market. You can mix them in different ways to make a variety of dishes. Morning time is often busy in hostels, so let's look at a few quick breakfast ideas. Number 1, bread omelette. Beat one egg, add salt and chili flakes, then fry it on a pan. Place it between two bread slices. Your simple and tasty breakfast is ready. Number 2, boiled eggs and tea. Boil eggs in kettle and make tea using tea bags. This gives you energy and saves time. Number 3, banana sandwich. Wash a banana, spread it on bread, and add a little peanut butter if you have it. It's a healthy and quick option. Lunch can be tricky when you are busy or tired. Try these easy meals. Number 1, rice and mixed vegetables. Cook rice in a rice cooker or pot. In a small pan, fry some chopped onions, tomatoes, and vegetables. Add salt and pepper, then mix it with rice. It's healthy and filling. Number 2, egg fried rice. Use leftover rice, add one egg, and fry with a little oil. Mix in soy sauce or chili sauce for extra taste. Instant noodles with a twist. Cook noodles in boiling water, then add vegetables or an egg. This makes it more nutritious than plain noodles. Everyone gets hungry in the evening. Instead of buying junk food, make these quick snacks. For example, bread pizza. Take a slice of bread, spread ketchup, add chopped vegetables, and sprinkle cheese. Heat it in a pan for a few minutes. Mini pizza ready. Potato frying. Slice potatoes, fry them in little oil, and add salt and chili powder. Crispy and delicious. Corn chatum. Boil corn, mix with salt, lemon juice, and chopped onions. It's light, healthy, and tasty. Dinner should be light but satisfying. Here are some options: egg curry, boil 2 eggs in a pan, fry onions and tomatoes, add spices like turmeric, chili, and salt. Add a little water and the boiled eggs. Eat it with the rice or bread. Vegetable soup: boil chopped vegetables with salt and pepper. Add a little butter if you like. Perfect for cold nights. You can even make quick desserts in a hostel. Biscuit pudding: layer biscuits with the milk and chocolate syrup in a bowl. Keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Your pudding is ready. Banana milkshake: blend one banana with the milk and sugar. If you can use a small blender or shake it well in a bottle. It's refreshing and full of energy. Here are some healthy cooking tips. Avoid using too much oil or instant noodles every day. Add vegetables to your meals for better nutrition. Keep water and fruits with you. They are good for your health. Clean your utensils after every meal to keep your space steady. Cooking is not just about food, it's also about caring for your body. Simple, clean food keeps you active and happy during hostel life. Save money and time. Cooking at home or hostel helps you save money. Instead of spending on restaurant meals, buy ingredients in small quantities and store them properly. Enjoy cooking and be creative. Cooking in a hostel can be enjoyable if you try new combinations. For example, add boiled eggs to noodles. Mix leftover fries with ketchup or new pesto. Turn plain bread into toast or sandwich with butter and jam. Don't be afraid to experiment. You will discover new dishes every week. And that's how you can prepare simple and tasty hostel recipes with just a few ingredients and tools. Remember, hostel cooking doesn't need to be boring or difficult. It just needs a little creativity and care. Try these recipes, share them with your friends, and enjoy healthy meals every day. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy cooking ideas for hostel life. Stay happy, eat well, and make your hostel days more delicious.